Hey guys, so I'm going to be doing what I've never done for a very long time. I'm going to be comparing the specs of the newly released Blackview A200 Pro with the Oppo Reno 10. The Reno 10 is a much more expensive device and it's a 5G phone. I think it costs about $600 to about $650, while the Blackview A200 Pro is a budget device with insane specifications and it's only sold for about $250. Comparing the specs of these two devices would make you realize that the Blackview A200 Pro, even if it's not a 5G device or as powerful as the Oppo Reno 10, is still a device that is packed with impressive specifications. If you're new here and you're interested in the latest tech updates, then kindly subscribe and turn on notifications. So without further ado, let's dig in. So there we go guys, as you can see, the Blackview A200 Pro, even if it's not as powerful as the Reno 10, is still packed with impressive specifications and it's a lot cheaper. The Reno 10 is obviously more powerful because it is powered by the Dimensity 7050 and the device also supports 5G connectivity. Now pretty much other specs of the Reno 10 I consider to be not very superior to the Blackview A200 Pro. Anyway, I'd like to hear your thoughts about these two smartphones from these two great brands. So feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.